Welcome to the channel. So we were analyzing the question paper of UPSC Physics optional, the recent paper. So without any delay, let's go to the next question. So the next question, which is actually the sub question of first question, is that the electron in one-dimensional infinite potential well defined by V of x equal to 0 within minus a and plus a, and V of x equal to infinity otherwise goes from n equal to 4 to n equal to 2 level, emits a photon of energy 3.43 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. Calculate the width of the well. Assume Planck's constant h equal to 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 and mass of electron equal to 9.11 into 10 raised to minus 31. Now this question, uh, you don't need to worry about the question is given. We have studied about one-dimensional infinite potential well. So this is a question related to infinite potential well, and this is very simple question if you just read it thoroughly and understand what is asked in the question. So we know that the infinite potential well, the potential well will look like almost like this. So here we have minus a here, plus a here. Sorry, I haven't drawn it to a perfect potential well, but you can assume that it's a potential perfect one. So here B potentially is equal to 0 here, potentially is equal to infinite here, and then potentially is equal to infinite here. So what we were asked to calculate, the standard rotation for the width of the well is A. So here it is starting from minus A to plus A. So the total distance is 2A. So we were asked to calculate what is the value of 2A here. So in order to calculate the value of 2A, we have to know what is the energy at different level. So in the question it is given the electron is taking transition from n equal to 4 to n equal to 2. So from this we can write two things. What are they? We can write what is the energy of the level n equal to 4 and what is the energy of the level n equal to 2. So we know that energy of nth level is equal to, what is that? That is equal to n square pi square h cross square by 8ma square. So here n is equal to 4. So we have 16 pi square h cross square divided by 8ma square. And for n equal to 2, this is equal to 4 because 2 square is 4. 4 pi square h cross square divided by 8ma square. Now, we know that a photon, when emitted, when an electron takes a transition from a higher level to a lower level, the energy of the photon will be the difference between these two levels. So, what is energy here? We are given with the frequency of the photon. So, frequency of the photon nu is equal to 3.43 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. So, what is the energy of the photon? Energy of the photon is equal to h nu. So, this h nu equal to, it will be equal to E4 minus E2. So, we know what is h nu because it's h into what is 3.43 into 10 raised to 14 equal to E4 minus E2 will be 12 into pi square into h cross square divided by 8ma square. So we can substitute the values here. So we have to find out 2a or a. So a square is equal to 12 into pi square into h cross square divided by 8m into h into what's the value of nu? We can calculate. So when you substitute all the values, we have h is given here, and what we know the value of pi 3.14. We know the value of m, it's also given here. So when you substitute all the values, you will arrive at what? You will arrive a square as 79.6 into 10 raised to minus 20 meter square. So we are asked to calculate the width. Width is 2a. Therefore, 2a will be equal to 17.84 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters, or is equal to 17.84 Armstrong. So this is what the answer is. So the question is very simple. You just have to connect this with what we have studied earlier. So this is for today. So we will come up with another question in the next video. So till then, thank you and goodbye.